A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. So students, in our today's class, I will explain to you hot special right from workbook page number 61. So before starting our today's class, let's give a quick recap what we have learned, what we have done in our last class. So in our last class, we have completed what? Page number 60, word problems from the workbook, right? I hope all of you have practiced. Now you know how to calculate duration, end time and start time. Alright children? So we are going to finish our time chapter also. Now children, in our today's class, the questions which I have taken here, we are going to calculate date. Already we have learned how to calculate start time, end time, duration. Now here we are going to learn how to calculate start date, end date and the duration. When it is given start date and end date, how to calculate duration. Now we are going to calculate date. So two questions there. So question number 21 I have written. Right. Now everyone please refer your workbook page number 61. So what is the question? Dharmendra's vacation started on 11th December. Dharmendra's vacation started on which date? 11th December. And ended on 20th December. Starting date of vacation 11th December. Ending date is 20th December. For how many days was his vacation? Now in this question, what is given? Start date of the vacation, end date of the vacation. Now we have to calculate how many days was his vacation, the duration. Alright? So same you have to calculate how you have to calculate start time, end time and the duration. Right? So let's see how to calculate start date. Start date of vacation. What is the starting date? 11th December. End date of vacation. Ending date 20th December. Now what we have to find out? Duration. So how to calculate children duration? End date minus start date. End date is 20th December minus start date 11th December. Alright? So duration how to calculate? End date minus start date. End date is 20th December, start date is 11th December. Now once you minus, you will get how much? 20 minus 11. It's 9, but you have to do plus 1. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10 days. Why? I will show you. Calculate from the start date to end date. Just count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Starting at 11, ending at 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 11 to 20 is 10 days. Once you subtract end date minus start date, you will get 9 plus 1 equal to 10 days. Understood children? How to calculate? Subtract, you will get 9. Once you calculate it from 11 to beginning to end, 10 days. So that's why 9 plus 1 equal to 10 days. Alright children? So what we will write at the last? For how many days was his vacation? So Dharmendra's vacation was for 10 days. Got it children? Dharmendra's vacation was for how many days? 10 days. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the start date, end date and the duration. Alright? Now next move forward to question number 22. 22. What is given 22? Diksha's test 1. Diksha's girl. Diksha's test 1 unit test started on March 17. Alright. Diksha's test 1 started on March 17 and continued for 5 days. How long it goes? For 5 days. She appeared for the first paper of test 2 on which date? April 5. Diksha's test 1 started on which date? March 17 and continued for how many days? 5 days. She appeared for the first paper of test 2 on April 5. Alright, and the last paper on April 11. So, how many days did it take to finish both the test? How many days did it take to finish both the test? First test started on March 17, continued for 5 days. Second test started on April 5, ended on April 11. How many days did it take to finish both the test? So, let's calculate. First we will write start date of test 1. Test 1 equal to March 17. Alright. Duration. How long it continued? Duration equal to 5 days. Okay. Next. Start date of test 2. When test 2 started, children? Test 2 on April 5. April 5. End date equal to April 11. Now what you have to calculate? Duration of test 2. Right, because the duration of test 1 we know 5 days. Now we are going to calculate duration of test 2. So duration, how to calculate? End date minus start date. Alright, so what is the end date? April, or you can write 11 April, April 11 minus April 5. April 11 minus April 5. It is 6 plus 1 comes 7 days. How 7 come? See here, children. 5 April, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Starting date 5. Ending date 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's equal to 7 days. So duration of the test 2 is how much? 7 days. The question is asking how many days it takes to finish both the test. So duration of both the test you have to find out. So first test duration is 5 days. Second test duration is 7 days. So here what we will write? Number of days she took. Number of days it took to finish both the test equal to, children, first one is 5 days. 5 days plus 7 days. It comes how much? Equal to 12 days. So how many days it take to finish both the test? It take 12 days to finish. Alright, start date of test 1 March 17, duration is 5 days. So the test 1 duration we know 5 days. Test 2, start date of test 2 April 5, end date April 11. Duration, end date minus start date 6 days plus 1 equal to 7 days. So duration of second test is 7 days. So total days to finish both the test is 12 days. I hope it is clear. Okay, so I've explained the Hodge question. So children, now left the practice questions. Today I'll be giving you homework from the practice questions. You do it, right? You do it. If you find any difficulty to solve, kindly you ask me on our Monday's live class. Right, children? Thank you.